Welcome, dear friends. Tonight, we'll explore something truly simple yet profoundly powerful, a gentle massage that can calm your bladder and help you sleep peacefully through the night. If you've been waking up again and again to use the bathroom and your rest feels broken or incomplete, don't worry. You are not alone, and there is hope. This natural remedy has helped countless seniors reclaim their deep, restful sleep without pills, without discomfort, and without fear. Tonight, I'll show you where to massage, how to do it, and how to pair it with gentle lifestyle changes so your body can find its balance again. Now, let's start with the truth. Your body is wiser than you think. Even after 60, 70, or 80 years, it still holds incredible healing power, waiting quietly beneath the surface. You've lived through decades of emotion, laughter, and lessons, and your body has carried every one of them with you. Every heartbeat, every breath, every small movement is your body's way of saying, I'm still here for you. Aging doesn't mean weakness. It means wisdom. Healing might be slower now, but it is deeper and more meaningful. Your body hasn't stopped working for you, it just needs you to reconnect. The problem isn't age, it's disconnection. We live in a world that depends so much on pills and quick fixes that we forget how powerful the human body truly is. What your body often needs most is your attention, your gentle touch, your calm breathing, your willingness to slow down. When you reconnect with your body, you awaken the natural energy that has always been inside you. That energy, your life force, flows through every part of you. When it moves freely, you feel peaceful and strong. When it's blocked by stress, tension, or fear, that's when problems appear, including sleepless nights and an overactive bladder. Gentle touch is one of the simplest ways to restore that energy. And that's where this beautiful 3-minute massage comes in. It focuses on a point known in traditional Chinese medicine as spleen 6, or Sanyan Jiao. This point lies on the inner side of your leg, about 3 fingers above the ankle bone. It's a small spot, but it connects to your bladder, kidneys, and spleen, the organs that play a key role in how your body handles fluids and energy at night. To find it, sit comfortably. Feel for the bony part of your inner ankle. From that bone, measure up about 3 fingers width. You'll find a slightly tender area along the inside of your leg. That's your spleen 6 point. Now, using your thumb or knuckles, apply gentle circular pressure to that point. Don't press too hard. This is not about pain. It's about connection. As you massage, breathe slowly and deeply. Inhale peace, exhale tension. Imagine warmth spreading from your ankle up your leg, through your body, reaching your bladder, calming it, soothing it. This simple act, just 3 minutes before bed, sends a message to your body that it's safe to rest. You are teaching your bladder to relax and to hold comfortably through the night. When your mind relaxes, your bladder follows. Now let's support this practice with a few healthy habits. Start with your diet and hydration. During the day, drink plenty of water, but sip slowly, not all at once. After 7 p.m., begin to reduce how much you drink. This gives your body time to process fluids before bedtime. Avoid caffeine, alcohol, and very salty or spicy foods at night. They can irritate your bladder. Instead, choose foods that nourish and calm: cucumbers, pears, pumpkin seeds, celery, and watermelon. These are gentle, hydrating, and supportive of your kidneys and bladder. And remember, dehydration can make things worse. If you don't drink enough during the day, your urine becomes concentrated, irritating the bladder. So stay hydrated wisely, drink throughout the day, and ease up as evening approaches. Now, let's talk about movement. Movement is medicine. You don't need to run or lift weights. Even light daily exercise can transform your health. Take short walks, do gentle stretches, or practice simple chair yoga. Each movement keeps your blood and energy flowing. The more balanced your circulation, the more balanced your bladder function becomes. If you want an extra boost, try a few pelvic floor exercises, also known as Kegels. These small, gentle contractions strengthen the muscles that support your bladder. Just a few minutes each day can make a remarkable difference in a few weeks. But healing doesn't stop with the body. It begins in the mind. Many people don't realize how deeply stress and anxiety affect the bladder. When you're tense, your body releases stress hormones that make your bladder overactive. That's why calmness is the key. Before bed, create a peaceful environment. Turn off bright lights, switch off screens, and play soft, slow music. A warm foot soak for 5 minutes before bed can work wonders. It relaxes your nerves and prepares your body for sleep. After your soak, sit quietly and perform your 3-minute massage. Close your eyes, breathe slowly, and repeat gentle words of affirmation. I am calm. My body is balanced. I sleep peacefully and deeply. These words are not just sounds. They are instructions to your subconscious mind. Your body listens to your thoughts. When your thoughts become peaceful, your organs respond in harmony. These words are not just sounds. They are instructions to your subconscious mind. Your body listens to your thoughts. When your thoughts become peaceful, your organs respond in harmony. Each night that you do this, your body will begin to remember. It will start to trust that it can rest again. Within a few days, you might notice that you wake up fewer times. Within a few weeks, you'll feel stronger, calmer, and more in control. Healing takes time, but your body listens to love and consistency as you continue this practice. Add one more powerful ingredient: gratitude. Before sleeping, think of 3 things you're thankful for. Gratitude relaxes the mind and lowers stress hormones, allowing your body to heal while you sleep. It shifts your energy from worry to peace. So tonight, before you close your eyes, take those 3 minutes for yourself. Massage at that point, breathe deeply, and thank your body for all it has done for you. You are not your age. You are your energy, your choices, your belief. And the beautiful truth is that it's never too late to heal. When morning comes, you'll feel a difference: fewer interruptions, deeper rest, and a calm sense of renewal. You'll wake up refreshed, not tired. Because when you care for your body with patience and love, your body rewards you with peace. Remember this always: 3 minutes a night can change your life. Massage this point, eat well, move lightly, think positively, and your nights will once again be peaceful. Your body still remembers how to rest. All you need to do is remind it. Thank you for watching, and remember, every small act of care is a step toward healing. You deserve calm nights, strong days, and a life full of gentle energy. Sleep peacefully, naturally, and proudly, because your best health can still be ahead of you.